Hi guys, today we are going to do a quick video on how to create rules and filters in Gmail. So it's quite easy to do. For example, over here, this is my inbox. All I want to do is if any of the Slack emails come in, I actually don't want to see them. Obviously you can unsubscribe, but in this scenario, I'm just gonna automatically set a rule to archive it. So all I need to do is select Slack email or any of the emails that I want to archive. I multi-select them, so if you have multiple emails you can do that as well, and you will see this settings option, and over there you see a option called filter messages like this. So you click that and you can see it's automatically picked up the emails from the website, so notifications or no reply. And so what I want to do is if any of those emails come, I want to create a filter. Obviously you can see other options as well, if it's a subject line, or if sometimes I have a rule, if I'm sending an email to myself, move it to a reference folder, all those kind of things. You have a bunch of options with attachments, without attachments. So all you do is create a filter. And what I want to do is I don't want to see them, so I'll just skip the inbox. I'll mark them as red. Obviously I can choose to delete it as well if I wish. And you can see you can also apply it retrospectively on your past email. So I'll just say apply to this existing 15 emails as well, and I'll just move it to category of updates, which I don't want to see. So that's it, and then I'll say create filter. Obviously I can create a rule to delete it as well. That's it, create filter, and what you will see is all these emails would be moved out into the updates folder. And if I go back here, there you go, you see there's no Slack emails. So this is how you create all the filters. If you want to see what filters you've got, you can go to settings, see all settings, and on the top over here you can see filters and blocked addresses, and you can see all the filters that I have got here. So I've got quite a bit, as you can see. So you can see all the filters here, and you can also edit it over there. So there you go. So hope you guys find this useful. If you do want more Gmail tips and hacks like this, I'm doing a whole series of videos, so check out the playlist or check out other videos on it. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and please subscribe. Thank you.